everyone, happy Saturday. It is 12 p.m. and as you can see, I am out and about. I'm actually kind of far from my house and we're gonna go see some animals and some goats. Chris is here, of course, and we're gonna go check it out and vlog it for you guys, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification and follow us on Instagram, and I'll keep you posted once we're inside. We're here. We have our wristbands. It's official. Oh, you
going to feed them?
Yeah. Okay, it says whoa. Flat and palms up, so like this or the other way?
It's like this.
Okay. Oh, hi. Oh, I'm sorry, you got a little bit. Oh. I have a little one. Here. Oh. They're so cute. Aw, do you want to feed them?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. My goodness.
Wow, he was hungry.
They always are.
Oh, I don't have anything else for you. Hi. Oh, these are little small goats. Oh, they're so cute. I'll come back to get you some. They're like little dogs. Look at that one.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. They're just eating the grass. You're so funny. You're so funny. Hi. What you doing up there? Hey. He's living his best life, honestly. Llama. They're like little dogs. Oh, he's coming. Oh, smile. Aww. I don't have anything for you. Hey. Hey. Oh, Dito. Hi. Hi. Where's your friend? Your friend left you. You communicating with him? I was scared for like a split second. Your turn. It's your turn. 1, 2, 3. I want to do it again. How do you feel?
I feel fast.
Alright, my face is super red, but I'm going on the slide. In 3, 2. That was fun.
Style.
Here goes Chris. Chris is coming.
My goodness. I'm going down. I'm sweating. You know, you're always gonna have your armor up. Get up. 3, 2, 1.
This is a good way to freshen up when you're hot in between activities.
Yes.
Get on the swing. Lean back.
Lean back. I lean back.
With it.
Boom, you're making this. I believe in you. A little less up. There you go.
No! 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 Ah! We were rooting for you. We were all rooting for you. Ew!